Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and try to start this vlog day. Yeah, I feel like garbage. Apparently I only had 4 hours of sleep from what this bad boy says, which is not surprising because I feel like garbage. Probably woke up a couple hours ago because I remember having, technically still do, have a horrible effing migraine. I would give it towards the house, but again, I feel like garbage. I mean, eventually I will. I mean, we'll be here for like a week or some shit, so there's time. So yeah, let's get some B-roll or whatever the heck I feel like I'm able to do. Regardless, you're gonna get yourself a show. Alright, let's get to it.
But dude, it's such a bummer how you chase that girl around. You've been fighting all her battles and she's really with the hassle. You'd be living in the castle by now. And it makes me sick how you break these bricks for a girl that barely knows you exist. Now you're tripping on mushrooms just for fun. Dude,
I think you got a problem.
Mario, get your shit together, bro. You got to know this princess isn't worth these extra lives. Just let her go, Mario. You're a next level bro, and she's a jump too short when the clock is running low. Hey Mario,
like fucking like, I don't know. I guess like
they look different in person. Brandon Horton definitely looks uglier in person.
he looks ugly from the get-go.
He's ugly.
Hey, you
but
can't
he
vlog
looks
that.
uglier.
Spray tan, baby. Dark, not dark AF, darker.
Alright, just to update you on what happened today, we went to RGN, you got some, what'd you get?
GNC, you mean?
GSC?
GNC.
GNC, that's where we went. And then you got?
I got some creatine.
Creatine. And then we went to get a manicure and pedicure, that's what you just saw in the B-roll.
See?
Yeah. And then we went to Alphalete gym. And I got my little backstage pile.
Why didn't, oh, never mind, that was dumb. I was gonna say, why didn't we vlog that? You did?
I B-rolled a lot, yeah. I was on the job. And now we're gonna pick JC up because we left her because we were in such a rush to get him a tan. I forgot we went and got him a tan. He's a little bit darker. He's still pale as fuck, but
Hey, my teeth look so much whiter, look at that.
And they were already pretty yellow.
Yeah.
See, that's how you get the big bucks, is you insult your clients.
Yeah.
Alright, so what are we doing after this?
Picking up JC and then may go back to the gym.
May go back to the Alphalete gym.
I didn't buy anybody any passes for that. That's a different pass of passes.
See you later.
Okay guys, so Trevor's having some trouble vlogging today because he's filming the vlog for Malachi. So we went and had some Mediterranean for lunch, and then we went and had pedicures and manicures done, and then we kind of split up because mine took too long, and Malachi had his tanning appointment at 2:30, so we kind of split up. So I'm at Five Below, just kind of shopping around until his spray tan gets done. I don't know if I'll find anything that I want or we'll get, probably not, just cause. But yeah, so that's what's going on right now. So I don't know if this will make it in the vlog or not, but we'll see. So here you go, Trevor, making a vlog. Five Below. Try to get you some B-roll. Thanks, guys. Okay, guys, just left Five Below, and I'm in PetSmart. Because, you know, pets, why not? Oh, look at the babies. I wonder if I can go in there and play with them. Let's see. Oh, I can't switch it around. Look at the babies. They're all sleeping. Look at this baby. Baby. They're so precious. Trevor, we need to get them all. All the babies. Because I love them all. Oh my goodness. Let's see here. I wonder if I'm allowed to go in there and play with them. Like, I guess I'm going to have to ask somebody. Because I really want to go play with the kitty cats. Because, you know, kitty cats. Anyway, I'm just wandering around still. I guess I'll get some more B-roll here in a little bit. Especially the cats, because, you know, kitty cats. 5 Below. So I got 2 pairs of flip-flops and some shampoo, conditioner combo thing for us, for where we're staying at. Because, well, we didn't bring enough shampoo, conditioner stuff. So that's what I got. I'm really bad at this vlogging thing, as you can tell, so sorry baby. Sorry fans, sorry everyone. So, oh my goodness, my notifications are blowing up. Anyway, more B-roll to come. Probably not gonna buy anything else, because Trevor would kill me if I left with the cat. So, alright, B-roll to come later, I guess. Toodles.
Together we stand tall. Unlock the secrets deep within. Learn to be the greatest of them
Alright, so I've been to 5 Below. Gosh, it's bright out here. Let me get my shade. Okay, so I've been to 5 Below. I've been to PetSmart. I guess I'm going to try to go into Ross here now, look around. Might go over to Big Lots. Maybe Office Depot. I don't know how much longer they're going to be. I did get to go in and pet the kitty cats. I did not get any B-roll of me petting the kitty cats. I didn't get to take any of them out. And there was a really nice employee in there, and we were just chit-chatting. But all the kitty cats were really sweet, so I'm going to go in Ross here and look around up close. Okay, just left Ross. Don't really know where I'm headed to next. There's Office Depot, Big Lots. I think there's a Sally's down here. I think I'm gonna go in there, check it out. Don't plan on buying anything though, you know, broke. So stay tuned for more B-roll. I really have no idea what I'm doing.
I'll treat you like a king. I'll treat you like a one and only. I could be your queen. Give you everything you need. You're like a king. I'll treat you like a one and only. I could be your queen. Give you everything you need.
Okay guys, finally met up with them again. And we're at a camera store now, so yeah. Where are you going?
Come let your guard down. Love, take the gloves off your heart.
What's going on right now?
I don't know. You're supposed to be vlogging, not me. Now that
You just do whatever you feel like doing. I'm looking at camera stuff. I've never been in a camera store.
he's never been in the camera store, guys. I can't flip my screen around while I'm filming.
Alright. Love you, fans. $70.
He's gonna go broke in this store. Oh god, that light's bright. Am I just supposed to like film your face the whole time?
Just don't do too many minutes, I guess. I guess all that time.
How many minutes is too many minutes?
9 minutes you got.
I'm not even at 1.
9 minutes and what?
I'm not at 1 yet.
Oh, you're not one? What are you at?
Now I'm at 1.
Oh. If you just want to, like, I don't know, just record the different sections, you don't really need to record me.
Okay.
If you let me.
Well, Trevor said we were gonna be inside all day, so I didn't.
What about backstage? You know, backstage?
Tim. If they have a backstage pass,
I don't know what he's going to do. Like more outfits again?
Probably. I guess we'll be going, doing whatever, the 3 of us.
I guess we're gonna go do something different.
Send you an invoice.
Yeah, maybe vice versa. But Sarah, it's been a second since you paid me.
Like this one.
Will you wear it?
Probably. Yeah.
I don't like cool ones, I like stay both.
We should get one of those.
One of what? One of those?
It's half price summer shopping.
Hi! We just dropped off Malachi at the Alphalete gym to do the little presentation-y thingy to learn what he does to do as a contestant and all that shit. Now,
Yeah, I want your Instagram for this one.
now me and the girls are going to go to our little housey place and, you know, just pass out and, you know, just leave him at the Alphalete gym. You know, he can stay there right there. We don't need him, you know. Alright, see you later.
Hey everyone. This is about 6 hours after the last video I did when we were leaving Malachi at the little speech situation. I passed out. Now I think everyone else has passed out. Yeah. I feel like garbage, and I have felt like garbage this entire day. The struggle was definitely real today. Like I said at the beginning of the day, I go off this huge freaking migraine, and just saying, but no, the guy's driving's not the best, so my stomach was being shaken around a bunch, which allowed me to have like a sick stomach, which add up to the awesomeness. So you got sick stomach, migraine, and then I actually only had like 4 hours of sleep. Even though I'm up right now, I had an additional 5 hours, which is not recommended. The sweet spot is 7 hours. So even if you put together yesterday's and today's, it's only 9 hours. That's good, but that's 2 days. Still doesn't make it perfect. I'll give you a little mini tour before I end this vlog. That was the 2nd floor. The first vlog you saw me go into our room, which is on the 1st floor. And here's the 3rd floor where my guy has so far been doing most of the editing. It just felt like crap. Yeah, you guys have been sleeping much either. But today is technically competition day, but that is for vlog day 3 of the Texas trip. So, in the meantime, smash that bell icon, give this video a like, comment down below, and watch some of those videos that YouTube's recommending. And I'll catch you in the next video.